How to cancel orders on Fiverr. First of all, go to your Fiverr dashboard and click on the Orders tab. Select a specific order you want to cancel. You will see the Resolution Center option on the right side of the order page. Click on it to continue. Next, choose the reason for your cancellation. Fiverr gives you multiple options such as the buyer ordering by mistake, unclear project details, or mutual agreement to cancel. Select the most accurate reason that fits your situation. After that, write a short polite message to your buyer explaining why you want to cancel the order. Then click on Send Request. Fiverr will notify the buyer and they will have the option to accept or decline your cancellation. If both parties agree, the order will be cancelled without affecting your completion rate too much. If the buyer doesn't respond, Fiverr will automatically process the cancellation request after a certain period. Always aim for mutual cancellation as it keeps your profile reputation safe. Now you know how to cancel orders on Fiverr. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.